We got to get this car back on the road. We got to get this motor fired up. So today, it's time. It'd be real cool if we got this all back together and got it fired up.
Be a lot cooler if you did.
But sit back, relax, watch me put this car back together today. Nice casual day today. Salud.
Salud. Salud.
Alright, we're gonna just completely reassemble this and probably within this hour video. So here we go. Let's just get this done. Plugs in. We got the valve covers on. Gonna put the cap on, plug wires, etc. We're just gonna keep rolling here. Fans on. The fans are useless without a shroud, just so you know. That's why we run electric fans on these old cars. So, you know, it's basically a prop. So, let's keep going. Got a lot to do. Alright, real quick, our firing order is on driver's side 1873-2456. And if you look right on the, Oldsmobile does this, right on the intake manifold 1857, etc. 24. So they're marked. Cannot screw that up. Okay? It's right there.
You screw this up, Stillman, and I'll have you assigned to a weather station above the Arctic Circle.
We got to run an adapter plate if we're going to run like a 650 L broken carburetor, okay? Got it. Because alright, here's the original Rochester. You can see the butterflies on the bottom, okay? And the butterflies on an Edelbrock 650, they're bigger. So they make this little plate. You can pick this up at, I think still today, you can pick this thing up at any hardware, you can pick this up at any auto parts store. Okay? Makes the holes line up when you open the valve, when you open the butterflies up, okay? There you go. Vroom, vroom, scoop, scoop. See, they open up, they won't. Things I want to point out to you. The generator is going to be replaced with an alternator. The intake, I know you're probably going, well, why are you putting that intake on there? The Strombergs, the tri-power Strombergs is not going to cut it for me. I'm going to run Holley 94s. I need to sell, probably going to sell that intake and put some Holley 94s. So I'm running this Edelbrock 650 on my intake for now because it's a proven, I had it on the car already and it runs great with it. So to fire this motor up with a questionable fuel delivery is not gonna work for me. So I put the old reliable Edelbrock back on there and we're gonna run that for a while just to break the motor in and make some more funds. I got it time to leave my funds low. So we're gonna get some more funds, buy some carbs. That's number one. All right. Number two, we have to finish some wiring. Real close on that, and I ripped out a lot of the wiring for the generator and the lights. I ripped all that old wire out. So we're gonna rewire what's left here. I'm real close to, you know, firing this thing up. It's coming. It's real close. You can taste it, all right?
On my tongue. I can taste it.
All right, thanks for hanging out with me today. And we are going to continue on. Any questions, comments, gripes, something you don't like, something you do like, leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you again on the next one. Thank you for watching.